Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting technology trends that are shaping our world. As we advance into a new era of innovation, it's essential to stay updated on these trends that are influencing industries, economies, and our daily lives. From artificial intelligence to sustainability, let us explore how these technologies are changing the game. One major trend is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are not just buzzwords anymore. They are integral to various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. With algorithms that enable computers to learn and make decisions, businesses can now analyze vast amounts of data to predict consumer behavior and enhance user experiences. From virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and efficient. Another key trend is the expansion of 5G technology. The rollout of fifth-generation wireless networks is revolutionizing connectivity, offering faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. This enhanced network not only supports high-definition video streaming and lag-free gaming but also paves the way for innovations in IoT, or the Internet of Things. With 5G enabling millions of devices to connect and communicate seamlessly, we are on the brink of a new era where smart homes and cities are not just concepts but reality. Sustainability is also becoming increasingly intertwined with technology. As concerns over climate change grow, industries are innovating to create more sustainable solutions. For example, companies are adopting green technologies and renewable energy sources to reduce their carbon footprints. Furthermore, advancements in recycling technologies and sustainable production methods are making it easier for organizations to integrate eco-friendly practices into their operations. This trend not only benefits the environment but also appeals to a growing base of environmentally conscious consumers. Lastly, cybersecurity remains a critical concern as we embrace these transformative technologies. As more data is generated and shared, the risk of cyber attacks increases significantly. Organizations are investing heavily in robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive information. Innovations such as biometric authentication and blockchain technology are gaining traction as they offer enhanced security features, ensuring that data remains safe from potential threats. In conclusion, these technology trends are more than just ephemeral fads, they represent the future landscape of our world. By staying informed and adapting to these changes, we can harness the power of technology to create a better, more connected, and sustainable future. Thank you for joining me today as we explored these exciting trends, and remember to keep an eye on the ever-evolving tech landscape.